Jim Bisley and Bob Friedkin. Don Friedkin.
Famous Mustang way,
It just goes by the, whenever you... They call themselves the horsemen. Is it because, I don't know, one of you knows why they call themselves the horsemen? Chiefly...
Well, I believe it was when they were, there was 4 of them, they were the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse.
Ah, okay.
Now there's only 3.
There's a song by Metallica too, which is supposed to have been the inspiration, but otherwise you could say they're the horsemen because they're playing Mustang.
That's right. Bit of both, I think.
Yeah. American?
No, American. Happy days.